Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on Xbox Game Pass PC. First, let's get your controller connected. You have two simple options, a wired connection or a wireless one. For wired, just plug a micro USB cable from your controller into your PC. It's super straightforward. If you prefer wireless, ensure your PC has Bluetooth. Then, hold down the PlayStation and share buttons on your controller simultaneously for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes. Your PC should then detect it for pairing. Now, why do we need extra software? Well, Windows PCs are designed to work best with Xbox controllers. Your PlayStation controller doesn't natively send the right signals for many PC games, especially those on Xbox Game Pass. This is where DS4 Windows comes in. It's a fantastic, free application that tricks your computer into thinking your PS4 controller is actually an Xbox controller, ensuring all your button presses are correctly recognized. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to ds4windows.com. Once there, download the latest version of the software. It will typically come as a compressed zip file, so you'll need to extract its contents to a folder on your desktop or another easily accessible location. After extraction, launch the DS4 Windows executable file. The program will guide you through installing essential drivers, like the VI GM bus driver and the NET desktop runtime, which are vital for its operation. With DS4 Windows installed and your controller connected, simply open the DS4 Windows application. You'll see your controller detected on the main tab. Click the Start button, and DS4 Windows will begin running in the background, emulating an Xbox controller. You can then minimize the application and launch any game from your Xbox Game Pass PC library. Your PlayStation controller should now work perfectly, allowing you to enjoy your games with full functionality. You can even customize profiles for specific games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.